Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of setting up a list in AWeber. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. To get started, click on List Options in your AWeber account. Next, navigate to List Settings, where you'll find a variety of options to customize your list. Click on Basic Settings. Here, you can enter important information such as your name, a description of your list, and your mailing address. This information is essential for ensuring compliance with email marketing regulations and helps your subscribers know who you are. After that, click on Personalize Your List. This section allows you to input your company details, making your emails more professional and informative. Additionally, you can add links to your social media profiles here. This is a great way to encourage your subscribers to connect with you on different platforms and stay updated on your latest news. That's all you need to do to personalize your list effectively. I hope you found this helpful. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I have a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.